ever wanted to be that girl that you cannot wait to wake up to meet every single day, this video is for you, because I literally love what I'm about to tell you. I love everything I'm about to talk about right now, so it's getting me so excited. Hey guys, hello friends, hello girls, hello guys. If you're watching me for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Gloria, and please watch to the end. And if you are a new subscriber, hello, you're absolutely welcome to join the family. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I am very sure you're going to like this video as much as I'm liking it. So I speak about faith, relationship, and lifestyle. Feel free to check all my other videos, alright? So in this new video, we're going to be talking about becoming your dream girl. And of course, in this channel I talk about girls a lot, godly ladies a lot, but I have noticed that even godly guys also watch my videos and they actually get so much out of it. So if you are a guy, a man watching me, these tips, this advice is also for you, and I'm also talking to myself too, you know. So let's go straight right into the first thing I have for you. Number one thing you have to do to achieve all your goals, in fact, before you want to achieve all your goals, I hope you know that you have to have goals, right? So the first thing is to work hard, and not just work hard, you have to work smart. Okay, you have to turn your working hard to also working smartly. But before you work smart, you have to work hard, right? So we're talking about working hard, and in a nutshell, what I'm saying is try to do your best in every little function that you're given. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a very small or light position you're given wherever you are, or your job, or even if you don't have a job, even if it's in school, whatever it is you're doing, any little thing you find to do it as if it's like the biggest thing in your life. Okay, any small thing you see yourself doing, I want you to add energy, add momentum, okay, add everything you have in doing that thing, and that is how more opportunities are going to come to you. So if you have been given the opportunity to serve anywhere, even if it's the lowest capacity ever, I want you to put all your energy in it. That is how you begin to grow, right? Number two, remain focused. Do not rely on luck. Luck only finds you when you are in the right place. Opportunity will always come when you are prepared, right? When opportunity meets hard work or preparation, that's what people call luck. So some people will just be like, oh, she's just lucky being on YouTube, she's just lucky having that kind of successful business, you are lucky doing that and doing this. But do not rely on luck. Do not rely on luck. You have to be very focused, be very tenacious. Whatever it is you are doing, like I said in the first point, put all your energy in it, okay? I love number 3 points. Mind your business. Mind your business. If you want to become your dream girl, right? If you want to become like, one of the highest ways to become the highest version of yourself is to mind your business, is to be at peace with who you are. I was writing, I think yesterday night, and I was thinking to myself that you are so much at peace when you are not prognosing in other people's business, when you are not always looking for what other people are doing in their lives, when you're not updating your mind about other people's lives. That is when you feel peaceful, okay? I know Jesus Christ has given us all the peace in the world, but you have to utilize that peace by minding your business. I cannot say enough about this topic, about this point right now. Mind your business, okay? I know you have people who are following on social media. I know it's like you're literally stalking people on social media, right? You are updating your files in your head about people's lives. That is okay to have people, you look up to and all of that, but do not prognose in people's lives, especially your friends or people around you. Do not always want to know what is happening in other people's lives. That is what I'm trying to say, my girl. That is what I'm trying to say. Always be in your own lane, okay? Whenever things come to meet you, of course, you receive them, and then it's about how you respond to them. But mind your business, okay? Be in your own lane, set goals for yourself and achieve them. Number 4 point is something we've heard of over and over again. To be a high version of yourself, do not be afraid of failure, okay? Do not be afraid to start a new thing. Do not be afraid to speak to that person. Do not be afraid to walk up to that stranger and ask for something, okay? And I there's a quote I always love: the answer will always be no if you never ask, right? You will never ever get to anywhere if you don't take the first step. You will never know you're going to succeed in something if you don't try it out, okay? So do not be afraid to fail. In fact, the more you fail, the more you are closer to get that thing that you desire, okay? Get that thing that your dream girl wants. Get those high achieving things that you want. If you want to achieve more, you have to fail more. It's so hard for me right now to say this because I also don't like to fail. Nobody likes to fail, but we have to get used to failure, right? Because it's going to come. And there's a quote I want you to take out of this video. If you're not going to take out anything out of this video, please take this quote out. Success will introduce you to the world, but failure will introduce the world to you. That's a very deep statement. Number 5 way to achieve all your goals in life is to become a problem solver. And I'm not talking about starting from solving big problems, it may be in a big conglomerate or a big company or a very big problem. I'm talking about little problems. Start from solving little problems for your neighbor, for your friends, you know. Try the little things before you are anticipating the big things, right? So if somebody comes to meet you and asks for advice, or you see somebody not feeling too okay, you just try to go out of your shell and maybe ask what's happening, what's the problem, are you fine, you know, and then try to solve a problem. And from there you can now begin to, you know, climb higher and solve bigger problems. So have a mindset of like, I'm a problem solver, right? People can come to me with, I am not saying you should accommodate people's problems every time. You are the only one they are coming to. No. But try to solve little problems in the way that you can. Number 6 point is you need a support system. And as a lady, as godly ladies, I have spoken about friendships a lot, why you can't make female friends. I'm going to link the video up somewhere right here, so you go and watch that video. If you don't have female friends, if you're not the girly gang type and all of that, you can try, okay? You can try. So you actually need a support system. It could be your family, it could be your significant other, it could be your neighbor, your co-workers, your colleagues in school, it could be anybody. You need a support system. We are not designed to live a life of solitude, right? Or you're not designed to be like an island of your own. So you need a support system. You need somebody, you need some persons to help you to achieve that high side, that higher self of yourself, right? Number 7, I love this point. Be thankful. Be thankful for where you are, where you were, and where you want to be in life. Do not wake up in the morning and grumble. You hate your life, you hate your job, you hate your school, you hate people around you. That is the way to bring yourself down. And then we don't want to go down, we want to go high up. So be thankful for every situation you find yourself in. Thanksgiving is actually a tool for multiplication. So if you have little money, if you have no money at all, if you have so much money, anything you have, try to be thankful about it. Number 8, the last point, never lose your passion for God. In anything you do, always know that you have God. Always secure that passion you have for Him. And whenever you feel down, whenever you feel like, oh, I'm not feeling so close to God anymore, I feel like God is far away from me, it's a sign for you to actually go back to Him. And I'm not saying you go back to Him and after like a while you withdraw, you go back, you withdraw, you go back. You're just playing games with your Christian life. So if you're never watching me, and I want you to know that in achieving your high self, in achieving all your dreams, all your goals that you have in your life, do not exclude God out of it, because He's the one that's going to help you to be like the highest version of yourself, okay? If you want to be more feminine, if you want to love people more, if you want to be excellent in your job, in whatever it is you're doing, if you want to be an excellent wife, if you want to be an excellent husband, if you want to just achieve more, if you want to live a good life here on earth, you need God. You need Him in your life, okay? So do not exclude Him out of your life. He has to be a part of every single detail of your life. So help me to like this video so that other people are going to see it. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, listen, I love you. I seriously appreciate you. Thank you so very much, and thank you so much for the love I'm getting from my videos. And if you've not watched some of my videos, go ahead and watch them. They are going to help you, okay? And also follow me on Instagram. Yes, I'm on Instagram, Gloria Daiku. That is my name there. You can follow me there, and also help me to like this video, because when you like it, people get to see it more. Thank you so very much. If you watched to this end of the video, I really appreciate you. I am going to see you in my next video. Bye.